Hello everyone, welcome to this blog. You are watching some of the highlights of today, starting from morning till afternoon. Summer means happy times and good sunshine. I am enjoying my summer break by clicking wildlife and nature's photographs, doing some small household work, and so on. What are you doing at this time? Do comment down below. Oh, wait, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ending this vlog here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.